TXV Industries, Quality HVAC Solutions.
What's going on, guys? It's Dante from TXV Industries. As I said in my last video, I was still in school trying to get my EPA and stuff like that. Well, now I have achieved my EPA and I actually opened up my own company. I'm doing subcontract work for one of my professors, so it's pretty cool. And today for you guys, I have a evaporator change out. I know it's been a while since I've made some content, but it's just because I wanted to keep my head down, stack up some more information, some more knowledge, understand it a lot better. As I was saying in my last videos, my father's from the HVAC industry, so it's pretty easy to get into when your dad's, already been doing HVAC for basically almost his whole life. So yeah, but you guys stay tuned. I have that evaporator change out, something nice. Here we go.
You're gonna cut that PVC,
So right about
you're
at
gonna
this
have to
point,
take that
we got
strap
to the
loose
unit,
right there.
and
Alright.
at first we thought it was a
The PVC
full
where?
air handler change out, but we were wrong. It was an evaporator change out.
You're gonna have to unscrew it out of the air handler, so
Gotcha.
I would cut it like right there.
Okay.
And then we probably have to put two couplings on it, so cut it where it's easy for you to connect.
Sorry for the
back
poor lighting,
up.
guys. I will be getting
How's
the GoPro
that?
head mount, so stay tuned for that one.
Not yet.
He right here.
Who?
Well,
Oh, that's his spot. Senor, you habla English, right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Guerrero, are we changing out this whole piece? Todo?
No, he said only the coil.
Only the coil. Man, I'm
Yeah.
glad I didn't do all that. Very good. Okay, so you want to cut that PVC.
Yeah, because he tell me it was the coil was the one leaking.
Okay, so the air handler stays, right?
Yeah.
Okay, está bien. Hell, I started to take the whole damn thing out. I've done that before. And it was the wrong house. You tell right it's there.
You replace the condenser?
nah.
No!
Coil.
Okay.
You got the gauges hooked up?
Yeah, everything is done.
Did you shut the liquid line?
Yes.
You already shut the liquid line.
You got your light?
Hello? Okay. So you probably cut that drain in two places.
Right here?
Make sure you cut it.
You wanna
Cut it
keep
in the
your ball?
middle. Look.
Do you want to keep this ball right here?
Yeah, you do.
So,
Look, cut it right there in the middle where you had it. Yeah, you're gonna put a coupling back in there.
got you.
Cut it straight now.
Got it,
I go the other side, Dante. Other side. I'll cut it right in the middle, right there. Right in the middle.
Do you have the piece to shut up the liquid?
It's in that red bag.
bag?
Yes, sir. Look in the red bag. Let me see that light. All right. Right in the middle of there. In the middle of it. In the middle. There you go. That way you can unscrew it, right? There you go. All right, now take that band loose back behind you and cut it again and get it
This
out of
band?
the way. Yes, sir. Just
the driver?
cut everything, huh?
The driver.
Driver. You got it.
Input. Oh, right here.
Yeah. And you can set it on top of the unit. All right, set it on top of the unit. Uh-huh. Now, you got a adjustable wrench with you?
Yes, I do.
All right, now look at here. Take the back with the one that's closest to the stairway out first. Then you can unscrew that one and put them both on top of the unit. We'll reuse them.
Yes, sir.
Then we need to go down there and pump down the system. But you can take that cover. That ain't gonna be big enough, is it? You should be able to do it. Not yet. There's some more of them channel lines. All right, now try to turn it.
Dang.
Turn your channel locks around.
This way?
Yeah, and then you get a better bite. Go low though on that side. You got it now, don't you?
Yeah.
Set it on top of the unit. And then just unscrew this one. You don't need nothing. You do it with your hand. Damn it. All right, now take that cover off. Damn, we're gonna be through in a couple hours. Take this cover off. Got 3 here. Take them all out. You take it off now. Set it up there on top of the unit. Wait a minute.
Drain lines.
What drain line? No, just wiggle it off there, baby.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Set it on top of the unit. Take that damn, right here, slide it across there. Yeah. Bad. Pick that duck up a little. Pick it up a little more.
In this side, I didn't actually get a chance to record the full pump down because I chose to stay in the attic. Me and my professor were actually trying to show some guys how to actually change an evaporator, so that's why I stayed in the attic. He went downstairs to do the pump down. I came back up to clean everything up, make sure it was prepped before we unsweated everything.
Okay. Now we got to go pump down the system. Go down.
No, you good. Got it out. I'm trying to get it downstairs.
Alberto, vea. Agárralo de acá arriba y yo lo agarro de acá abajo y lo vamos bajando.
You have to hear pressure coming out. If you don't hear no pressure coming out, you tell them, hey, the cold. Take it back. Yeah, you do it right there on the dock. You don't go home with it. Yeah, you don't go home with it, cause then you be fucked. You gotta come back again.
Teach.
Ahí mismo se deja, donde estaba.
Okay.
Just cut off the suction line. Fold it down.
Ahí está. Ahora para arriba.
Va arriba. Okay. Let's go.
Gotcha. Made life easy too with just pulling that TXV.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I was saying heat up this,
Yeah.
let it expand and tap her in, and then we can sweat it.
It should go in there.
See?
We pull it out a little bit.
We don't have to clean this piece here.
Yeah, that's it again.
That one, yeah, with sand, paper or something.
You can.
We got, oh sorry, we got some right here.
And you be working on earning on the side or no?
Yeah, I make a little cash flow. I do subcontracting for him. So we get big enough to hire people. Yes, sir.
I used to work with him. Boy, he calls me here and there whenever he needs help. I'll go help him out.
Yeah, that's what he be doing with me. I got a job, Dante.
I have a
I can make a break real quick. All right. Gotta sweat it in.
What's the name of your channel?
It's TXV Industries. Got it brazed in, sweated in. We got a little hot. This melted, so we're gonna have to change out the traders, which is what we're doing right now. This right here is our equalizing tube and our sensing bulb. And then the reason why it got so easy is because this is already brazed for us. So he just took this off.
Yep.
And just kept the hole on.
Easiest way. The easiest way.
Yeah, so you don't have to sit on the braze twice.
The bulb. The pressure valve.
So now we in there, we sweat it in, it's solid. Yes, sir.
The other way.
This one? The hot side is this one, right?
The high face the red.
Yeah, the red
You
one.
change the wrench?
Okay, remember, wait a minute, wait a minute, let me see something, look. Oh, this here.
Close, that way.
All right, now, do it.
Like letting the refrigerant back in,
Yeah.
let it equalize. And the hole is closed, right?
Open it all the way, Sylvan.
All the way. Don't open the hot side, the low side just yet. Just open the hot side. There you go.
Oh yeah, Studer gave these to me, by the way. It's like that came.
Let me see. Like this.
Fellas and hot cotton.
You're making it tighter.
You don't know nobody else with that refrigerator?
What refrigerator?
That 138.
Right, I don't know.
Bam. Did the pressure equalize? Yeah. Open up that low side.
You sure you don't need it?
I'll lower it fast.
Most of the people don't. And I'll go, when they tell me, hey, you do food, how much? I'll be like, warranty, without warranty. It's a labor room.
Well, I would think, since everything goes.
There we go, that's a full evaporator change out. Thank you guys for watching today's video with TXV Industries. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I will have a GoPro head mount, so hopefully I can get some better visuals for you guys so you guys can see more of what we actually do. Thank you.